Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Has been a long time since I've flown, and a long time since I've flown the Aeroscout. Well, snowstorm Fern is halfway done. I have a lull in the day. We got about 1.5 inches. Hopefully we're not going to get into freezing rain, but let's just take her up, see what we can do. Last snowstorm I took this thing up, we crashed it, so let's not do that this time. I did keep the tail on, which is probably a bad idea, but let's do it. Whew. Been a long time since I've taken this thing up. Oh yeah. Such a fun trainer. Drop the wing. Oh yeah. Got how loud this thing is. Zero throttle, just hanging around. Oh yeah. Barrel roll. Loop. Oh yeah. I try to do a touch and go. I don't want to tear the rear off, but let's see. There we go. Little touch and go. Such a fun plane, guys. I forgot, I have not flown this enough this year. It's actually the first time this year I'm flying. I didn't fly it much last year. Oh yeah. Alright, it's gonna be a cold battery, so I'm gonna take her in a minute. Look at that. Perfect landing. Check how much we got. Plenty of stuff left, battery left. Let's take her up one more time, guys. Oh yeah. Oh. And if you have a lake, guys, taking this thing out on the lake with these floats is awesome too. So, highly recommend it. Alright, it's starting to freeze rain, so we're going to take her in. So let's do a final approach. Wish I could stay out here more, but it is starting to freeze rain. Not the greatest landing, so why not? Let's take off one more time. Let's not crash it. Let's come in for a better landing. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed, and if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button.